In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your YouTube user ID and channel ID. These two IDs are unique identifiers for your YouTube presence. They're often needed when you're connecting your channel to third-party tools, setting up integrations, or working with developers. So let's walk through the process step by step, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube's homepage. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that owns the channel you're interested in. If you see your profile picture in the top right corner, you're good to go. If not, click there and sign in. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From this menu, look for the option labeled YouTube Studio and click on it. YouTube Studio is where you manage everything related to your channel: videos, analytics, comments, and of course, your channel settings. Once YouTube Studio opens, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. At the very bottom of this left sidebar, you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a small window with several tabs along the left side. In this settings window, click on the tab called Channel. This section controls the basic and advanced information about your channel. Inside the channel section, you'll see a few tabs across the top of that window. Click on the one labeled Advanced Settings. On the Advanced Settings page, scroll down until you see an option that says Manage YouTube Account. Click on that. This will open a new page in your browser that shows your account settings on the main YouTube site, outside of Studio. On this account page, look for a link that says View Advanced Settings and click it. This is where YouTube hides the technical details of your channel. Once the advanced settings page loads, you'll see your channel ID and your user ID displayed there. You can highlight and copy them if you need to paste them into another service or send them to a developer. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps and you'll always know exactly where to find your YouTube user ID and channel ID whenever you need them.